What do you plan to become in 10 years? Sometimes we get some questions which are quite unexpected. We are either not very sure about the answer or we need some time to think. So, there are some phrases which can help you buy some time in between. So, the phrases like, "That is a very good question. I have never thought about it. Although I have never thought about it, well, I think I might." So you can use these phrases to buy a little time to think and then you can answer. Let's try this. What do you plan to be in next 10 years? Well, that is a very good question. I have never thought about it. But I think I am going to follow my dream of becoming a teacher. Right now, I am doing my graduation, and after completing it, I hope to complete a teacher training professional certificate. And in the course of 10 years, I aspire to become a successful teacher. A word of caution here, do not overuse it, or you might get a low band score for memorized responses. Try to use it only when it is extremely necessary.